It's Aldi time.
It's Aldi time. I'm going to share with you some shopping finds that Gabriel and I found on our Aldi trip today. Let's dig on in. Welcome everybody. I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher, and this is my little man Gabriel. Say hi.
Hi.
Can you look at the camera and say hi?
Hi.
Well, Gabriel wanted to be in today's video because he loves you guys so much. Can you blow him kisses? And I am so excited to share with you some of my wonderful Aldi finds for this week. And with Aldi, this is a really great time to begin preparing for the holiday season, holiday gifts. So every week that I run to my Aldi, I'm going to share with you some items that are on our definitely good finds at Aldi that also have a health and wellness related twist. So I hope you enjoy today's video. The first item I want to share with you is a seasonal buy. These chips, Gabriel loves these, right? Are these your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they're called EMMENTALER. I think that's the way you say it. But these are little potato cheese bites. So generally we don't eat potato chips in our household, but I actually enjoy these because there are some probiotics that are added to this, and it doesn't have necessarily all of the unhealthy potato-y chip ingredients, but these make really good snacks at holiday parties. The other thing that I love that is in the specialty seasonal buy are these nut trios. I actually grabbed two. These are $9.99, and they have a sweet version and then they have the savory. This is so good. These work great when you are hosting parties, going to a party. They're great hostess gifts for $9.99. It's a really good deal, and they, like the sweet one, they have a cinnamon cream almonds, honey glazed pecans, and a cookies and cream almonds. And then the savory version, this particular version, they have rosemary almonds, chai spiced almonds, and they have a mix. I know, they have a mix. So this is such a great gift. All right, so some of the other specialty items that is very seasonal, and I found these last year when I discovered the Aldis, that are back that I want to share with you is they have an organic cheddar and sunflower artisanal crisp bread. This is fantastic.
This is fantastic.
That was a big hit last year during the holiday months. And then also they have these little cheese crisps. So generally we don't snack on these
last week,
but they make really good snack options, gifts, and party treats. So those I definitely wanted to share with you. Some of the things that are really great about their specialty items, these are actually imported from Italy. And if you are familiar with the European Union and some of the requirements of non-GMO flour and the healthier type of pasta, this is really exciting. This pesto is a huge hit, the macaroni and cheese in our household. Then also, do you want to show them what we found? Show them. All right, we'll turn this around. This is the organic turkey gravy. So if many of you are not big gravy fans, or fans of making gravy, this is a really good alternative, and there are a lot of really good healthy ingredients in here.
This is healthy,
and it's very organic in its origin. So this is a big hit. I didn't see this last year, but this is definitely something I grabbed because I thought some of you would like. Another great find are their flannel sheets. Their flannel sheets are really great. They're $16.99. Okay, honey. These flannel sheets were $16.99. This is a full size. Gabriel just moved into his full size bed. It's the final of the 4-part crib conversion. And so the flannel sheets are great for wintertime. They make great gifts for kids, family members, college kids, all that great stuff. They have a lot of holiday themes to them. The other thing that I found that was really a good deal, $6.99 for these touchscreen gloves. These are very phone palm friendly gloves, but they're also great to have for the winter months. And so I don't think you can ever do without gloves, and I always tend to lose gloves. So $6.99 on these babies, really good deal. And you guys know the sock monster. They've got more kids crew socks, the Lily and Dan crew socks, right? You guys show them? All right, we found the Lily and Dan crew socks. So show them the socks, honey.
Two socks. Two
Here,
socks.
here, let's hold it up. They've got little baby sharks on. Bee socks. And these are the $3.99 price point. Can't beat these. And last and final, because it is technology season,
Find this.
they have a 24 pack of AA batteries for $5.89. I think, honestly, friends, this takes the cake on the deal this week for Aldi finds. So friends, thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for letting Gabriel join you guys on this video. Say bye, Gabriel.
Bye.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Mwah.